One of the things I'd like to show you is the status display on the LV5770 monitor. The status display is very important because it shows if there happens to be any problems with the digital signal that you're looking at. Now, even though there may be problems with the signal, you're still able to display a picture in many cases. But at the same time, there may be errors that are occurring, and those errors are going to show up on the status display. So let's take a look at the status display so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the status display. And what we're looking at are items like CRC, errors that may occur, which is an acronym for cyclic redundancy check, TRS errors, which are an acronym again for timing reference signal, illegal code, problems with ancillary data, checksum and parity issues, problems with embedded audio that may occur. Now, when I say problems, in many cases we're talking about a signal where the information is either in the wrong place or the values are not correct. When that happens, a device like our monitor will report that errors are occurring. And again, those errors may not produce a problem in terms of the picture display that you're looking at, but another device downstream may look at those errors and have an issue. So our unit reports again if those errors have actually occurring. Another thing that we report on is video quality. By that we look and see if the luma and chroma levels happen to be at what they're supposed to be based on the settings. We also look to see if by chance, if let's say color bars or let's say a black signal that's being fed is actually stuck maybe in a frame buffer and you wouldn't normally know it. But the 5770 can detect that there's no change in the signal over X amount of time and let you know. Now there may be instances where errors in effect occur and you may not be present, or you need some way to be able to document those errors that are occurring. That's where the error log comes in. If we go back to display here and we hit the status button so the menu comes up, and we go to F1 for the event log, we've already started the log in this particular case. So when we look at this display, what we're looking at is we're looking at an event number that's created over on the left-hand side, followed by the date that the error occurred, followed by either the time of day or time code, if time code isn't present in ancillary data, and then whether it was the A or the B input, what the format actually was, and then what the actual error was on the right-hand side in red. That information is retrievable through the monitor and also can be saved as a text file using the USB port here on the right-hand side. With the Ethernet port in the back, you can also retrieve it via that connection too.